everyone, so it's now been 180 days since I started using Duolingo to learn Italian. Actually, thinking about it, it's probably more than 180 days. What day am I on now? When it loads. I'm now on day 190, I think it says on there. Yes, I am on day 190 now. So I've been learning Italian on Duolingo for a while, but I'm here specifically to talk about like my 6-month journey of using it. So first of all, I thought I would show you the day I hit 180 days on Duolingo. I am on day 180. If you can see, it should say 179. And I'm about to do my lesson, and yeah, I'll be on 180 days, so that is 6 months-ish. So yeah, I'm gonna do the lesson now. State of mind. Still my eyes go drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. Try to find the other side while the sky is going drip, drop, drip, drop. Okay, so I finished the lesson. And an ad. Wait for the ad to finish. Oh, and gems. Ready? Oh, it's like it's never gonna do it. And yay, 180 days. So yeah, like 6 months of learning Italian on Duolingo. I think it says my next milestone is 250, but there you go. So yeah, 180 days done. So yeah, I'm super happy that I haven't lost my streak. There has been quite a few days that I've got very, very close to forgetting to do it. But now I'm like, right, I need to get it done every single day, and you do get a reminder, which is good, because I think I'm at a point now that I will be really sad when I lose my streak. So I think in my 100-day video I said that I was trying to go through all of the units to like the highest level before going on to the next topic. I have kind of changed that now, so if you can see, I have got quite a bit further than I had done previously. All these are like level 1, so I literally got to the first level and then went on to the next one. So I have changed up how I'm doing it. I do try and make sure I keep these to like the highest level, so they do crack after a certain point in time. So I kind of try and make sure that I keep the basics up. So I do that, try and do that like at least once a week. But I'm going to try now to make these ones higher, because I've kind of neglected these and just kept going. So I think the plan for the next part is to get these all up to a higher level, so to do the opposite of what I wanted to do last time. But yeah, I haven't done any more stories. I think I said I was going to try and do some more stories, but I haven't really done any of those. I'm just not, I don't know why I haven't really done that, I just haven't really bothered. But I'm starting to feel now like I really understand things. I was concerned about grammar last time, I think I mentioned. But I feel like I'm starting to really get like a grasp of things. I also didn't realise, I think there is also like tips, which I've never clicked on before, which I should have been doing, because it sort of goes through why things are happening. So I'm definitely trying to take much more notice of that now as well, which is helping. I still haven't used, I think I was saying last time as well that I wasn't using any other resources. I still haven't been using anything else, so just Duolingo. It's obviously slow progress because I'm not using anything else, but I'm really enjoying it, and there's not really any reason I'm learning Italian, I'm just doing it for fun. But I feel like it is actually working quite well with me. Like I feel like I'm really starting to understand what's happening, understand how sort of sentence structures work, and really like actually thinking I'm remembering and like actually remembering stuff as well. So I'm starting to get to higher levels on stuff, and instead of, you know, quite a lot of the levels on Duolingo, it's, you know, words in either your native language or the language you're learning and the sentence, and you've got to use those words to make the sentence. Now I'm getting quite a few where I'm actually typing it out in Italian rather than just using the words that they've already got and putting them up, which when that first started happening, I thought, oh my God, there is no way I'm going to be able to do that. I don't think I actually know anything. I can just know the words when I see them in front of me. And I was actually really surprised that I was able to do, I mean, not all of them, but the majority of them, and actually, you know, be able to write sentences in Italian, which was a really nice feeling, because I didn't think I was able to do that. So I'm glad now that I'm at a point where it's asking me to do that, because I feel more confident in the language. One of the other things I think I mentioned last time as well, the first 30 days I was trying to do 20 minutes a day, and it very much dropped after 30 days to the point where I was literally doing a lesson or two and then not doing it anymore, and that was it, literally just to keep my streak rather than to actually learn. I have tried to up that now, so I am trying to do about 15 minutes a day, which is probably like 3 or 4 lessons, depending on how my day's going. Like sometimes I can be really busy, sometimes I'm not, because life's obviously gone a lot more back to normal now. So if I'm on like a bus or something, I try and get in like a load of lessons there. So I'm trying to do more on Duolingo, but I am still keeping to just Duolingo. But I think now I'm intrigued to see like how much I've learned. So I think I'm going to keep going for now, and then see if I do like you know, like just like an online test, just to see how much I'm actually able to know. Like, but I'm gonna have a look for that, see if I can find anything, because I just want to see if it's actually working and I'm actually learning. So I think I'm gonna try that, but I don't know when. Probably maybe when I hit the next milestone. I think it says that the next milestone is 250 days. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, but I'm super happy with how it's going, to be fair. The first 100 days I wasn't convinced, but I do feel much more happier with it now. So I think I'm just going to keep going and doing it the way I am doing, a few lessons a day and just Duolingo, and then just see how it goes. So I'll probably go do another update when I hit like the 250 days or maybe the 300 days. I haven't decided yet. I guess it depends if anything's changed, but I think a lot of people don't like Duolingo, so I was quite put off from doing it for this long, or you know, just using it. But I am actually, you know, happy that I have tried this out. Like I said, it's not ideal if you wanted to learn a lot very quickly, or you had to learn for some reason. But if you're just doing it for fun, and you like having like games when you're learning, I definitely think it's a good resource to either use as part of something else or use just on its own. If it doesn't matter if you don't learn a lot. But I definitely think adding it into your language routine is definitely a good idea. So that's my update for how it's going with learning Italian on Duolingo. So like I said, I'm now on day 190, so I've been doing it for a fair while now. I will probably update again at like 250 or 300 and see how it goes. But I'm definitely attached to my streak now. I do not want to lose my streak. So yeah, I think I'll probably keep going for I don't know how long now. So anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!